Get in a comfortable position, whether it's sitting or lying. Close your eyes. Place your right hand over your heart, allowing the warmth and gentle touch to connect you with your heart's center. Breathe deeply, softly, and slowly into your heart space. Focus on a single moment when you felt loved, safe, and cherished by another. It could be a friend, a family member, a pet, or anyone with whom you've shared a heartfelt connection. As you recall this moment, let the feelings of trust, safety, and security wash over you. Stay there for 20 to 30 seconds or however long you wish, and observe any relaxation and calmness that comes up.